Go home happy with the 2019 Chevrolet Camaro. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Meticulously engineered for power and control, the Camaro's muscle and agility is the stuff of legends. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, vehicle anti-theft system, rear-wheel drive, traction control. Feel the surge of controlled power and the rush of adrenaline when you rule the road in the Camaro.